Hello and welcome to Gale Context Opposing Viewpoints. My role in our presentation is going to be showing you a little bit about how to use this database. In particular, instead of using this bar here, where you can browse issues all the way up to highlights and notes, I'm going to show you a trick in the search bar. Sorry about that. Oh, there we go. As soon as you type one word, you may get 2 suggestions or more in bold, which turn out to be some of the topics that this database goes into detail about. But also, this database actually has articles on them. For example, green cities, an overview, and it turns out when you click read more, it's an overview from the Gale online collection. In this case, it's the Opposing Viewpoints online collection. Gale itself has published this article to give you some context on this issue. And even though you can use the top bar, such as send to accomplish some of the other functions like Google Drive, email, or download, you can also do it here, as well as adjust the size of the font, translate it to another language. I admit I do not know Arabic, so I can't speak for how accurate it is, but that feature is available. Let's give this a listen.
Green cities. Green cities are urban areas that implement programs and measures designed to promote conservation of natural resources, preservation of the environment, and sustainable development.
You can even listen to it if you want. Over here, you can read more about the topic. Even look at other websites that have also written about whichever topic is being covered in the article, because other topics related to elections are also covered. As soon as I type the 4th letter, of course. Let's try electronic voting first. Just like with the green cities results that you get by clicking the bold words, we get an article about electronic voting. And like before, it's published by Gale's online collection. You have lots of accessibility options to listen to it now, increase or decrease the font size, translate it, or, of course, print it, save it, or even email it to read later. A summary of the ideas is included here, and then you have more structure as you go through the article. I admit I hadn't considered trying highlighting before, but let's see. It works so far. I'll just figure out deleting it later. But anyway, you get a concise summary of the topic, all published by Gale, as well as some thought-provoking questions here. And you can even cite it in different styles. So, for example, copy and paste it to any paper you might be writing. In the Works Cited section, of course. I haven't tried most of these yet, but let's give Download RIS a try and see how that works. Okay, so alright, it just needed a second. Oh, sorry about that. My own computer can't do it, so I can't show you how it works, but you get the idea that there are lots of options that this database gives you. And hopefully I've given you the tools you need to go out and find information for yourself. Thank you.